Drew Amorosi of DatacenterDynamics, here with Travis Irons, the Director of Engineering and Product Management for Server Technology. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Drew.
And so you have with you a rather large power strip unit here, one of your newer products. Can you tell us what's it called and when this came out?
So this was released last week. This is our latest technology. It integrates really 4 of our newest technologies, including our Pro 2 platform, which is a much advanced computational and high memory computational platform, as well as our high density outlet technology, which you can see here with our customized outlets. These are custom designed by Server Tech, not your off-the-shelf outlet. We've also integrated the alternating phase technology, where each outlet alternates, outlet by outlet, the input phases, which simplifies load balancing and phase balancing. And thirdly, we've also put this product into what we call our Build Your Own PDU website, which allows custom configurations by the user in a real standard off-the-shelf product.
So you are the Director of Product Engineering. How much tinkering did you have in yourself in this particular product and maybe on a daily basis when it comes to Server Technology?
Well, the high-density outlet technology was really driven by our customers.
Right.
As long as I've worked there 8 years, and I keep hearing it over and over. I need more outlets, but I need the strip to be smaller and smaller. So they want this enclosure small, but they want more outlets. And so, driven by that demand, we looked at what's taking up the most real estate. And the outlets, as you see, take up most of the real estate.
Right.
So we started with there, and we stripped off the extraneous material and actually used the sheet metal and the adjacent outlets to provide that supporting structure and reach the C13. So I have a team of 12 engineers under me, and although I was directing them, I give the bulk of the credit to them for really refining it and making it work.
As any good manager should. Right?
Yeah.
So tell me then about your day-to-day role then with Server Technology.
So day to day, we have requests coming in for custom products by our broad array of customers. And one of my principal roles there is to decide if those products make sense in the bigger picture. And then we have roughly 30 to 40 products in development, and a lot of my time is prioritizing those. And then I'm out in the field, like now, and meeting customers and finding out what's the next thing that they're going to need.
And so what is the next thing then, since you brought it up? Where are the problems directing you?
Well, this is certainly the direction that is driving most of our demand right now. The more outlets, the right outlets in the right place, smaller form factor, full featured in terms of internet protocols, functionality, rapid deployment architecture, and high temperature. So all the things we're doing right now are driving what we're going to be developing over the next year or two. We're going to be, right now we've only got 7 products that incorporate all these technologies out of over 190 in our whole family. So we're going to be rolling out those 190 and rolling in similar but equivalent products with the full feature set and the new technology.
So your data center customers are demanding higher density ability. They're drawing more power, obviously. What about the sort of heat that something like this generates?
The heat?
The heat, and how do you address those issues?
So it's not so much the heat that these generate. These live in the back of the rack, in the exhaust of the servers. So what we call the hot aisle. So we have to exist in the hot aisle. All our circuitry and components have to operate up to 60 degrees C, which is 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which is not a very nice environment.
Right.
So those are the temperatures we're building to. So far, we see that's going to be good for the coming years. That will be adequate.
All right. And so far here at DCD Enterprise, how's your experience, the sort of people you've run across?
Very good reception, and the people that have come by, very good crowd. Lots of energy, a lot of interest in our products.
Right. Excellent. Well, Travis, for joining me, and hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
All right, thank you, Drew.